You'd say so?
I wonder how they found out Paul was down here. Back here in the middle of the motherfucking boonies.
Mine or not. Definitely gonna go around. Well, all the tunnels were flooded out so far. We got another building to check. We're gonna stop by the train real quick though. On the way. What you doing, Grandpa?
Oh, I'm coming up. Examining my...
Yeah, a little sketchy, ain't it?
What about this one?
It doesn't connect to the other tower, that was the issue. It's okay, look at the stairway. Oh, look at this pole rocking. Look.
Oh yeah. That's just because of the damn distance it is from the...
Yeah, we'll go to that stairway right there though and get down. Oh, there's a window that's busted out. Yeah. If you come this way, you'll see it. Push through the garden here.
Okay. No shit.
Yeah, 'cause fucking cold. Alright. See the ramp? Am I red?
There's a red light
Flashing. Alright. Check this shit out. Oh, is it flooded though? See, I didn't have my big light. It's flooded. There's a frog or a fish in here. Yeah, bro, look at that.
Damn.
No out. It's okay, there's another tunnel over here. This shit's wild though, ain't it? Look at that.
It's a fucking mod.
It's okay. I ain't worried about it.
Pump it out.
Make sure we ain't falling through nothing.
You got her to climb that?
Yeah.
Damn, she's ballsy.
Yeah, no, she goes in caves. So use these trails.
Oh, you can tell.
Yeah. On the regular. They come up the creeks. Here's a train. It's crazy they just abandoned it.
Yep, you didn't even drop it out.
It's not like the railroad tracks end or anything. They just keep going through the mountain.
Really cool.
It's pretty crazy right here.
Yeah, the lot. The engine room.
What is this? Yeah, this is the engine back here. Squirrel's been living in it. That door ain't been opened in a long time. Dude.
Still well old.
It's still engine all the way through here.
Yeah.
The whole nose.
Yeah.
Everything's been looted out of it. You still got some old breakers up here. They work. They sound good too. Yeah, this is a nice one. Windrock 2020.
Yeah, man, they used to make this old machinery to last.
I was wondering if you could still get it up and running.
Yes, if you wanted to.
I'm sure you could.
If you had enough money, you could.
Well, bro, all these parts are still intact. They just stole the facial gear.
Yeah.
Look at the cord.
If you had enough money, you can do it.
Oh, is that what this is?
Yeah, probably.
Alright, we'll push through. What do you think about it?
Pretty cool.
Not bad. Something to kill time. Get to trespass, live life a little bit.
I like trains, bro.
Timmy would like it, I feel like.
We've seen quite a few trains. We've been on a couple of train rides.
Look at these old seats they're turning to string.
Jackie's ass.
Someone didn't like Samuel and Caitlin being together. 2024. Add Snap and Insta Gia Marusi.
See,
There you go, y'all.
Why can't we have trains, bro?
Onlyfans.com by Bailey. There you go. Here's your promotion, Bailey. Snapchat, Hiding Green. Alright.
Why can't we have train transportation, man? This is cool as fuck. Oh, have you seen our traffic? Now,
True that.
You know that a lot of our traffic problems are people going from Knoxville to Oak Ridge?
Right. If you had a fast train like Japan, what is it? Japan has one?
If we just had a
Bullet
train
train.
like this that went from Oak Ridge to Knoxville for passengers. Look, unwealthy.
That's fucked.
They had benches. They got seats up in
So this is the
class.
unwealthy compartment?
Yeah.
Well.
How bland it is.
Right, yeah, true that. I guess it is kind of bland.
The seats suck ass too.
Compared to the fabric ones up front. That is messed up, man. Boo! Dumbasses. Alright. We were on top of that. Now we're going to try to go in from the bottom.
Damn.
Or that's a...
big old spring.
I guess it's a dust collector, rock collector. I'll walk down below, but I think the stairs up top.
I don't know what it is, but it's big.
If you're going to trespass, at least be smart about it. And there's a building that has no trespassing signs on the door and on the rail walking up. Don't go in there. We've made it into a part of the building here. Let's hope we don't have any deranged people. Oh, look, we got Sprite and chips.
All these down servers.
Is that what that is?
They're down breakers.
Motion control center.
Run
Here, make sure everything. Yeah, there ain't no power.
and start. They would into the top of the phone.
Yeah, it's a new one on the list for sure.
724.
What is it?
724.
Yeah, you've been here recent. Oh yeah,
That's
down to the abyss. What's this? What we got here? Watch that thing. Oh, they're bolts.
little compartments.
Scott would kill for those. Alright. So we go down. Fuck. Well. Guys. Glad we weren't in here then. Oh, we got an office. Bitch. Logitech mouse. There's a mouse right there.
Here's the office.
Yeah. A real nice split AC in it.
Yeah.
Quality engineering. What you got?
I fully expected to see an animal.
Really? Oh yeah, because dead, curled up or whatever. Oh, the alarms don't work. That's for sure. It about fell over. I bet you could do it. Here. My boots are gonna get caught up. Oh my god, bro, that's sketch.
It's wobbly, dude.
Oh, sorry.